Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network. In today's video, I am going to actually do a walkthrough of Zil Money for you guys. I actually did a demo and got to speak to my guy Vish, and he did a wonderful job explaining all the dynamics that Zil Money has to offer in this video. And I want to be able to show you guys some of these different things that you guys can actually do to take advantage of this. I really feel like there's a lot of value that this product can give a lot of our business owners. Everything from paying with your credit card to writing checks and be able to download checks and all that stuff. It's just amazing, guys. So highly recommend you guys take a look at this video all the way through, and hopefully you get enough value out of it as I did when I was introduced to it. If you do like this information, please just comment down below if you can see the value that it's going to bring for you and your business. It really helps us to know if this is the kind of information you guys want us to bring you, showing you different things that we use in our business and how it can actually help you in yours. And then also, if you guys want to join our free school group community, the link is in the description below. And I will definitely be giving all the information that I have about how you and other people can actually leverage these tools and leverage these companies to be able to grow your business the way you want it to grow as well. All right. So thanks for stopping by. If you've never been here before, thank you for dropping in. On this channel, we're talking about everything from building up your personal credit so that you can get business credit. Take advantage of the bank's products so that you can take advantage of the reward points and stuff like that so you can travel the world. Right now, I'm in beautiful Australia at a nice chalet up in the mountains, and that is courtesy of American Express, courtesy of Chase, courtesy of a couple of other different cards and their reward points. All right, so I want the same thing for you guys. It is not that far for you guys to be able to do some of the same things. Take advantage of these banks products. They're pretty much giving you guys these trips for free. And this is going to allow me to come back energized and ready to be able to do more. But as I'm here right now, I'm diving in. It gives me some time to look into some of these other products that are out there and do some deep diving without all the hustle of my day to day. And so that's what I do sometimes when I'm on vacation, and that's what you guys can be doing too. Or you could just be enjoying your vacation. You don't have to do any of this. So I want to give you guys free value, free information. Hope you like it. Smash that like button if you do, and come back and see some of our other videos. And some of the next videos I'm going to be doing, we're going to go into ADP, and I'm going to show you how ADP works. I have some reps that are going to come on, and we're going to dive into ADP, giving you a demo of ADP, and then showing you guys how you can merge the synergy between ADP and Zil Money so that you can actually get massive amounts of points, and then also be able to take advantage of their product inside of your business. All right. So see you guys on the next video. Talk to you shortly. Peace.
Yeah, so we actually help small businesses get access to funding. So we help them become bankable, and then we also help small businesses start and become compliant, so that they have all the features necessary to run their business.
Right. All right. So yeah. If we can confirm that you can see my screen, please.
Confirm.
You can see my screen, right? So
Yes.
okay. Right. So let me take a minute to introduce ourselves. Zil Money, who we are. So Zil Money is like all-in-one platform where you can find almost all payment solutions for your business, as you know. And one of the main features that we provide is that you can use your credit card to fund your payroll, as well as you can use the credit card to pay a vendor who are not accepting a credit card payment. Right. So this means you can also send this payment to their account via ACH or wire to that vendor. And Zil Money is the parent company for the online check writer, which is an online platform to write checks, as well as Zil.us. Zil is an FDIC insured banking service provider. So you can also open a bank account with us as long as you have a registered business in the US, which you already have. So yeah, with that being said, let's move on to Zil Money account. and I believe that you tried to open an account with us this morning, right,
Yeah,
Dishawn?
that's correct.
Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I see an account with the email address, and yeah. So once log into your account, as you know, this is the UI, and you may see this option complete setup now, where you can complete your one-time account setup. All right. So basically, since you're looking to process payments from your credit card, you can complete the level 1 as well as level 2. Level 1 is your email and phone number verification, and level 2 is your personal verification as well. And you can complete the level 3 as well, since you're looking to process payments as well as receive payments, right? So this takes like 2 to 4 minutes to complete your one-time account setup. And once you've done that, you're all set to go. Let me explain you how the payroll by card feature works first. Since you're only using like ADP for the payroll purpose, you may go to this payroll by card, right? And you can select, this is what you're going to see, and you can select ADP, right? And once selected, you will see that will be added over here on your screen. And to complete the one-time account setup, it will be asking you to add the bank account, which is linked with ADP. So you can add it, and verify the bank account. So once you've done that, you also to go. So we are like a middleman that you'll be using, right, to transfer payments from your credit card to fund your own business checking account, which is linked with ADP. Right, it's still ADP who will be running the payroll on your payroll day from that bank account, your employee's bank account. So that's the workflow. So let's say Friday is your payroll. So you can set up your payroll from ADP, and then you can generate a payroll summary, which something looks like this. This is the payroll summary that you'll be able to generate from ADP, and that shows the total amount that you'll be required, that ADP would be required to process that particular payroll. Once you have this document, all you need is to log into your Zil Money account, go to payroll by card, select new, enter the amount, the total amount that you want to process, as well as the payroll date, and then you can upload the PDF that you generated from ADP here, and then you may click on add. And once added, an entry created over here, all you need is to select the bank account that you want to get deposit the fund, and you may select the credit card which you have already added, and then you may click on process now. So that's it. Right. Once you click on process now, within the next 30 minutes to 1 business hour, the payment will be reviewed by the fund monitoring team, and then it will be initiated to deposit into your bank account. Right. So like I mentioned, we suggest you to initiate it like at least like 2 days ahead, so that you can make sure the funds are available in your bank account before ADP collect that fund from your account. Right. Do you have any questions regarding this?
What credit cards do you guys accept? Is it all credit cards?
We accept all credit cards, yeah, including Amex.
Okay, very good.
Right, and regardless which credit card that you will be using, the fee remains the same, which is 2.95% as the credit card processing fee.
Okay, very
Right.
good.
Which one do you
And
have?
then the credit, we have all of them. But I
Okay.
guess the question is, the credit card is going to see it as what kind of charge?
So this is going to be a business transaction, business purchase from Zil Money. Right, I understand that you can send it's not a cash advance, and yeah, and this 2.95% is cash, like tax deductible.
It is
Right,
tax
so
deductible
right,
because it's a business transaction.
that is right.
Okay.
Right. So yeah,
And one quick question. You said that was it Online Check Writer was the parent company?
Zil Money is the parent company. Yeah. Regardless which platform that you log in, Zil Money or Online Check Writer, both has the same interface, like UI. But Zil Money is the parent company, and you can also like if you apply for a bank account, you can also log in through Zil.us. So Zil is the banking platform actually. You can also access to your Zil bank through the Zil Money platform. But if you log in through Zil.us, you'll be going to the just the banking platform.
Okay.
So yeah, you can log in
We'll
through
go back
Zil
to that
Money.
later.
Right.
Okay.
Right. So that's how simple it is to process a payroll. Right. Let me recap this. All you need is a payroll summary from ADP. Right. And you can just upload that to the program, and then you may click on process now.
Wait.
Right. So
What do I need the payroll summary for?
so you need payroll summary from ADP that shows the total amount for that particular payroll. Right. You will be required to upload this over here in Zil Money account, because the only time the fund, like we have a fund monitoring team from credit card processor, and only time they allows you to fund yourself is for a payroll, right? And for that reason, you need to have a payroll summary, right? And yeah, that's how you process a payroll. Do you have any questions?
I'm just trying to make sure I understand that. The only time I can fund myself is if I have a payroll summary.
That
So,
is correct.
okay. Okay. So let me see something. So, okay. Okay.
Uh,
All right. Okay, I think I get it now. Okay, I just have to
yeah,
make sure everything's already over there, and then you can pay refund yourself. Okay. All right. So, all right.
right.
Okay, got it.
So yeah, like I mentioned, we have this fund monitoring team. They will be reviewing each and every transaction that you submit from a credit card with the supporting document. And yeah, once you upload the payroll summary, then they will know that this is for the payroll. Then the transaction will be going to deposit into your account. You can certainly use the program to pay a vendor, right? Let me show you that also. So let's say if you want to pay a vendor for the invoice that you want to pay, right? So for that, for the home page, you may select pay from as credit card, and you can decide how you want to process this payment into their account as an ACH or a wire, or you can certainly send them a prepaid virtual card to their email, or we can print a check on behalf of you and we can mail that to their address. Right. The process is same here when you process a payment to a vendor. So this payment will be going to the vendor's account directly, not to your account. And as well as instead of a payroll summary, it will be asking you to upload a copy of the invoice that you receive from them. Right. So yeah, for the payroll, it's a payroll summary, and for the vendor, that's invoice that you need to upload. And payroll,
What's
it
the
will be going
cost for
to
that?
your banking. It's the same. Everything remains the same. The transaction fee is 2.95%. And in addition to that, 20 cents for an ACH or $10 for a wire. Right here as well.
And then for a
It's the
virtual
same
card?
process. Yeah, virtual card is again 20 cents. And
Okay.
and for check mail, that's $1.30. Like
Okay.
you have the options to select. If you select check mail, then you have this option whether you want to process with USPS first class without tracking for $1.30, or priority mail for $15, or FedEx next day delivery for $30.
Okay. Great. And so same thing with the prepaid debit card or whatever it is. That takes time to get to them as well. And they can
Yeah,
go by.
that's virtual card. That's 20 cents.
Oh. But how long does it take to get them? How long does it take for
So
them to get the card?
it's instant. So as soon as the team review this transaction by next 30 minutes or 1 hour, then once the transaction is approved, they will be receiving an email instantly.
Okay. And how do they get the virtual card?
So they will be receiving an email with a link, so they can click on the link to view the card details. Right. So yeah, this card can be used anywhere online for any like online purchases or for subscription related transactions.
Got it. Okay.
Right. Right. So yeah, that's how you process payments from credit cards. So as you can see, pay from, this is a drop down, and you can find, you can use your own bank account to send payments as well as credit card, or you can use the wallet for your account. You can fund the wallet from your bank account, and you can use that available fund in your wallet to send payments. And yeah, once apply for a bank account, you can use your cloud bank, that's Zil Bank, to send payments or receive payments. So all other transactions, they're like automated, other than the one that you initiate from credit card, right? So if you send a payment from your bank account, it'll be going out automatically, as well as from the wallet, right? But credit card, yeah, this will be reviewed by the team before it getting processed out.
Can you fund your wallet with your credit card?
No, you cannot fund your wallet by compliance. Like by law, you cannot fund a wallet using your credit card, right? But you can certainly do that from your bank account. So if you go to my wallet, you have these options to add fund, and you can fund this via ACH, which means we will collect this fund from your bank account and deposit into your wallet, or you can send a wire payment from your bank account to the wallet by yourself from your end, right? You can ask your bank to send the wallet, like wire, with the document that you'll be able to download once you click on submit, right? Or you can also fund from outside bank, right? Let's say if you want to receive send an international transfer to this wallet, you can certainly do that.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, once you fund your wallet,
Question.
sure.
Are there any fees when you're using the virtual card?
Are there any fees
To use the virtual card? Like say for
from the
instance, if I
like?
receive a virtual card, will I get, there's a fee?
No, there is no fees to use the virtual card. You as a receiver, yeah, you don't have to pay anything unless the platform that you use that virtual card, if they charge you anything.
Mhm.
Right. So you'll be getting a prepaid MasterCard, and you can use that anywhere, that card, MasterCard is acceptable internationally. Right. So yeah, you can either select your bank account or a wallet, right, to send checks. So let's say if you like, these are the options that you can pay from your bank account. So once you select pay from as bank account, you will see these options, how you want to process a payment from your account. You can create a check, right? You can, if you have like your own check printer and blank check stub paper or a pre-printed check stub paper, you can print that on your own in-house, or you can send this check via mail. So this means we will be printing that check and will be mailing that to their address, right? Your payee's address. You can send email checks as well through our platform, or you can send ACH payments from your bank account to your vendors or your employees, or anyone that you want to pay. You can send an ACH payment into their account as well as wire, or you can create a virtual card from your bank account, right? So we'll be collecting this one from your bank account as an ACH, and then a virtual card will be processed to the payee's email address, right? And the wallet you can certainly use, like I mentioned, you can fund your wallet and you can send an ACH payment from your wallet as well, via ACH or a wire to that account or virtual card, or we can mail a check on behalf of you to that address. The difference between a wallet and bank account is that, so if you use your bank account to send an ACH, let's say, there will be like two transactions involved. One, we have to collect this fund from your bank account as an ACH, and then it will be deposited in your payee's account as another ACH. So there is like two ACH involved here, right? But if you use your wallet, you already have funds in your wallet. You just need to send that payment via ACH to their account, so that they like there will be only like one ACH involved over here, and you can save time for the transaction. Right. So yeah, these are pretty much everything with the payables. So do you have any questions for me with the payables?
No, not with the payables.
Right.
No.
Right. So now let me show you the receivable part over here. As you know, like we have both payables as well as receivables. And receivables here from the left side panel, you may see receive payments and this is where you will be requesting payments from your customers or clients, right? So from this page, you see these request payments, and you can request a payment from your customer or client by sending a request by email or SMS. Or let's say you send an email request, you enter the amount that you want to receive from them, you will be entering their email address, and you'll be selecting your bank account and invoice number or a memo, and you may click on request. So once you click on request, they will receive an email from us with a link, and they can click on the link, which something looks like this. So yeah, this is what they'll be seeing actually. Here there will be this amount that you have requested, right? Let's say you requested like $1,500, it'll be there over there, and they just need to enter their email address, and by default they'll be having this option, pay by bank. So once they click on that, they have two options. Either they can send you a payment by logging into their online bank using their online banking credential, or they can just enter the details manually. So log into the bank means you will be receiving a check from a verified bank account, right? Or they can enter the bank account details manually, their account number and routing number, and they can send you a check. So you will be receiving a check by default. So you'll be notified whenever you receive a check, which you can log into your account and you can see that check you received. You can select that check and you can accept that check first. And then you have these options where you can print that on your own check paper, on a bank check paper, or you can print that on regular white paper as well, and you can deposit into your account, or you can enable direct deposit, which means you can select the check and you can click on direct deposit, and we'll be clearing that check for you. We'll be collecting the fund from their account and it will be deposited into your account. Right. And the other feature is that you can run ACH debit. So let's say you have authorization from your customers to collect payment from their bank account directly. You can simply enable this feature, and then you can collect fund. You can submit the request to collect fund from their account as an ACH, and you'll be collecting this fund. Same, you'll be depositing that into your account. Right. So that's how you receive payments. Do you have any questions regarding Safa, like the receive payments now?
No. So anybody can set up. So say for instance, anybody can set up this kind of an account. Then there's no fee to have this service to be able to just to do this part for
There is
receivables.
fee. For receivables, there is fee. You'll be the one who will be paying for the service, not the payer actually. So whenever you request a payment, you'll be receiving a check, and whenever you do an action, you'll be getting charged for that particular action. When you print a check, you'll be charging the printing fee from the credits, or whenever you deposit that check, it will be depositing into your account. So there is a fee regarding deposit as well. So you'll be getting charged whenever you do the action.
Okay. And what is the direct deposit fee?
So that's 1%, maximum $10 for a transaction when you deposit it into your account. And to print a check, that's 1%, maximum $5.
Okay.
So even though if you deposit like a 50,000 check into your account, you'll be only charged like $10.
Okay. And so when you print a check, I can just print it straight from my printer?
That is right. Do you have a check printer?
No.
Okay, then you can print that on regular white paper as well. Let me show you the difference. So if you have a check printer, like a check paper, blank check paper, you can select this option, check print check paper. So that the program will generate a PDF where you can send that to your printer. This is the check paper format, which will be printing on your check paper. And you may select print white paper, which the format is a bit different, but you'll be able to deposit that into your account using your mobile deposit application. Or you can deposit that using an ATM or you can even take that to your bank. Almost all banks are accepting white paper checks. So as you can see, this is how it prints when you print on a regular white paper. The check is printed upside down, and the endorsement will be on the same side of the bottom side of the paper. Right. So yeah, the reason why it is printed upside down is that in the event if you want to deposit this in an ATM, you can fold this check over here as well as one over here. So it looks like the top part will appear as the front and the bottom part will appear as the back of the check. You just need to hide this middle part in between the top and the bottom, and you can just deposit that into your account, like to the ATM.
Oh, okay.
Right. So yeah.
So when you say hide
briefly.
it, will you hide it by folding it? Is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
that is right, by folding. So
You don't
whenever
cut
you
it.
fold,
Yeah, you don't cut it.
you can also cut it. It's totally up to you. Like you can also cut this part. You can, just cut it away, one over here and one over here, and you can stick it together, and you can just remove the middle part, or you can just, hide this middle part. So consider the letter, we'll say like M as in Mary, right? So one, you can just make it like a letter M. So
Okay,
this will be like hiding in between the top and the bottom part.
very good.
Right. So yeah,
And then you
that's
guys
how.
also have something where I can white label and I can put my logo on the check. Is that true?
Certainly, that is correct. So we also provide white labeling features. So you can like white label everything, right? It will be like all the details will be yours. We provide that feature as well.
Is that an extra charge?
Yeah, so white label comes from the premium like features, and yeah, it depends like what are the features that you'll be looking that you want to white label. That is just checks or emails, everything.
Okay.
Right. Like how many transactions are you looking to process a month approximately?
Probably only about 20 to 30 check. 20 to 30.
Is that 20 to 30 payables or receivables?
Good question. Right now I was just thinking about, let's see, probably 20 payables and about 30, 20 payables and 30 receivables.
30 receivables, right? Right. And yeah, you would like to process that 20 payables via ACH or check mail,
Probably ACH.
right? So certainly yes. So the next step will be as I see that you signed up for an account but have not completed your setup yet. So yeah, the next step will be like you can complete your one-time account setup, right? By verifying your personal and your business details. It takes like only like 5 minutes to complete your one-time account setup. And once you've done this, you may add your bank account from the bank account on the very top. And there is like 2 ways you can add your bank account. You can connect instantly using your online credential over here, or you can add it manually by entering the routing number and account number. And once the bank account is verified, you can apply for ACH. You will see this option, enable ACH. So you can apply for ACH. So that means your bank will be having the option to send ACH payment. ACH will be enabled for your bank account. And whenever you need whenever you want to process a payment, you can decide which one that you have to select, either from your bank account or credit card. You can send payments. And let's say you know that you will be using your bank account to send a payment next week. In that scenario, we suggest you to fund your wallet, right? And whenever you want to send a payment from the bank account, instead of using bank account, you can use that fund available in your wallet to send a payment, which is the fastest method to pay someone. right? So if you initiate a transaction from wallet, like I mentioned, the ACH will be completed in like 1 to 2 business days. Wire will be completed like 2 to 6 business hours, and a virtual card will be created instantly, right? And check mail will be like it depends the shipping type that you select.
I'm
Right.
more curious. I'm actually going to probably be using the credit card feature,
Mhm.
just because we see the benefit in racking up the points to get reward
Right,
points and stuff like that.
right. So yeah, that's great. You can use a credit card as like to process payments, right? Via ACH or via ACH. So when you initiate credit card transactions, that's 2.95, and ACH is cheaper as well. Here, it's only cost you like 20 cents instead of $5 from the bank account, right? And you see that you have signed up for
So
an account today. Yeah, go on, please.
credit card to ACE. So from my credit card to direct deposit, you said it's how much? $2.95, I thought.
It's from your credit card to a vendor's account as an ACH. That's 2.95% as a credit card processing fee, and
Right.
in addition to that, 20 cents. So you will see like 2 transactions on your credit card. One for the actual amount that you'll be processing, and second transaction is the 2.95% plus 20 cents.
Mm.
Right?
And what is it for the virtual card again? How much? Is it 20
It's 20
cents as well?
cents again. Right? Yeah.
Okay. And then for the check?
Check, it depends the shipping type that